Bismillah in the name of Allah. Bismillah in the name of Allah. Ar-Rahman, the most gracious. Ar-Rahim, the most merciful. This style. Alhamdu, all praises and thanks. Lillahi, be to Allah. In this style, okay? Yeah, start. No problem, wrong read, but read. Don't worry. From
Okay.
the first. This one. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, start.
Okay. Uh, bis, Bismillahi.
With translation.
Bismi in the name Lahi of Allah. Um, Ar-Rahim, the most gracious.
Ar-Rahman. Good. Ar-Rahman.
Oh,
Good.
Ar-Rahman, the most gracious. Ar-Rahim, the most merciful.
Who is Allah? The most gracious and most merciful. In the name of Allah.
Okay.
Before everything, before starting everything, when you will read it Bismillah, then Allah will help you in that word. Start. Next one.
Alhamdu, all praises and thanks. Illahi, be to Allah. Rabbi, the Lord. Alameen, of the universe.
Good. Understand?
Yeah.
All praises and thanks be to Allah. Why be to Allah? Why be to Allah? Engineer is creating something, but engineer's mind where from? He was collect that mind, that brain, where from? Allah was give them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Then all praises and thanks be to Allah. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
You are reading very good, mashallah. But it's where from? It's from Allah. Allah was give to Ayman good mind, good brain, strong memory, mashallah, mind. Understand?
Yeah.
All praises and thanks be to Allah. Yeah, next read now. Rabb, the Lord, Alameen of the universe. Your Lord and my Lord only know, but of the universe. Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who is Allah? The most gracious, Allah. The most merciful, Allah. All praises and thanks be to Allah. Allah, Rabb. Who is Allah? The Lord. The Lord, Allah. My Lord and your Lord only? No. Of the universe. The Lord of the universe. Who? Allah. Yeah. This one again coming, these two letters. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, we was read before few minutes upper. Okay. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, what meaning? The most gracious. Ar-Rahman, the most gracious. Ar-Rahim, the most merciful. Ar-Rahim, the most merciful. Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next read now. Who is Allah? Next read now.
Maliki,
Maliki.
Master.
The master. Who is Allah? The master. Master of the
Universe.
Yes, read. Next.
Yomi. Yeah, Yomi.
Yawm means of the day. Okay, next one. Ad-Din, of the judgment. Maliki Yawmiddin, the master of the day of the judgment. Who is master of the day of the judgment? Allah. Allah is master. Yeah. You read now from this.
Okay. Maliki, the master. Yomi of the day.
Middin, no problem, no problem. Same thing, Middin. Join before later, no problem. Middin.
Okay.
Good reading. Middin. And Ad-Din also good.
Middin of the judgment. Iyaka alone.
You alone. Oh Allah. Oh my Allah. Oh our Allah. Iyaka, you alone. Na'budu, we worship. Wa iyaka, and you alone. Nasta'een, we ask for help. Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Read it again.
Okay. Iyaka, you alone. Na'budu, worship. Wa iyaka, you alone. No, and you alone. Nasta'een, we ask for help.
That we are reading in every prayer, in every namaz. What thing we are reading in every namaz? Oh Allah, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, all praises and thanks be to Allah Rabbil Alameen, the Lord of the universe, Ar-Rahman Rahim, the most merciful and most gracious, Maliki Yawmiddin, the master of the day of the judgment. Who is master of day of judgment? Allah. Next. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. You alone, oh Allah, you alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. Okay, listen to me. We are reading in every brain this thing, and after ending the prayer, what thing good for me, for you, where we will go for help?
Allah.
But pupils going to
Allah. Go to Allah.
other persons. Suppose going to other person for help.
Oh,
But that is the good. That is good. Your friend is in your life. Okay. You are asking from your friend, oh my friend, oh Bilal, come on, please give me one glass of water. He will give you. It's good. You are asking, you are saying to friend, give me this water glass. It's good. It's not guna. But your friend, you are asking from your friend after his death. It's good. You are going to his grave. Oh my friend, come on, stand up. Give me a water glass. It's shirk. It's guna. It's not allowed in Islam. But people is doing this. People is not following the Quran. But you and me, inshallah, we will accept, we will follow the Quran, inshallah. Say inshallah.
inshallah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Understand complete?
Yeah.
Yeah. Continue next one. It's good, very strong lesson. Very easy and very strong for you, for me. Yeah. Next read now.
Uh,
We will ask now after this, we will ask now
eh,
dua from Allah. What's dua? Ehdi. It's starting the dua. Ehdi, oh Allah, oh my Allah, give me what thing? Start. Ehdi.
okay. Ihadi, guide us.
Hmm. Oh Allah, guide us.
Uh,
Next.
Siratal,
Hmm.
the path.
Hmm.
Um, Mustaqim, to the straight.
We are asking to Allah, oh Allah, guide us to the path, the straight. It's our dua in every prayer. Okay. What is
Yeah.
the path? Right path? What? Right way where? Allah say in next ayah. Right path is this one.
Okay.
Read it.
Siratal, the path. No.
Alladina.
Alladhina, of
Hmm.
those.
Hmm.
And Amta, you have bestowed your favors. Alayhim, on them.
Hmm. Hmm.
Ghayril, ghayri, not of.
Hmm.
Al-Maghdubi, those who earned your wrath.
Hmm.
Um, Alayhim, on themselves. Wal, and not dwelling of those who go astray.
Yeah, very good. Now you read it from this 6.
Okay.
is English explanation this one.
Okay.
Guide us to the
Guide us to the straight path.
Yes.
The path of those on whom you have bestowed your the path of those path of those on whom you have bestowed your favors, not the path of those who earned your wrath, and not of those who go astray.
Understand complete?
Yeah.
Okay. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allah. Start from 2.
Okay. All praises and thanks be to Allah, the Lord of the universe, the most gracious, the most merciful, the master of the day of judgment. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. Guide us to the straight path, the path of those on whom you have bestowed your favors, not the path of those who earned your wrath, and not of those who go astray.
Understand?
Yeah.
Say Ameen. Ameen means, oh Allah, accept my dua, please.
Okay.
Okay? Accept, oh Allah, please accept my request. It's all request. We are reading it every prayer. It's complete request. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Read it sometime. This lesson.
Okay.
From the beginning.
Bismi, in the name Lahi of Allah.
Rahman Rahim.
Rahman, the most gracious.
Rahim.
The most merciful.
Good.
Hamdu, all praises and thanks. Illahi, be to Allah. Rabbi, the Lord. Alameen, of the universe. Ar-Rahman, the most gracious. Ar-Rahim, the most merciful. Maliki, the master. Yomi, of the day. Mid-Din, of the judgment. Iyaka, you alone. Na'badu, we worship. Wa iyaka, and you alone. Nasta'in, we ask for help. Ihadina, guide us. As-siratal, the path. Al-mustaqim, the straight. Siratal, the path. Alladhina, of those. An'amta, you have bestowed your favors. Alayhim, on them, غيري, not of, المغضوب, those who earned your wrath, عليهم, on themselves, والله, and not, والضال,
Dolly.
of those who go astray. Amin.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, very good, very good. Very good. Read one time more.
Okay. Bismi, in the name, Allahi, of Allah, Ar-Rahman, the most gracious, Ar-Rahim, the most merciful, Alhamdu, all praises and thanks, Illahi, be to Allah, Rabbi, the Lord, Alhamdu,
Next.
Alameen, of the universe, Ar-Rahman, most gracious, Ar-Rahim, the most merciful, Maliki, the master, Yomi, of the day, Iddin, of the judgment, Iyaka, you alone, Na'badu, we worship, Wa Iyaka, and you alone, Nasta'een, we ask for help, Ihadina, guide us, As-siratal, to the path, Al-mustaqim, the straight, the siratal, the path, Alladhina, of those, An'amta, have bestowed your favors, alayhim, on them, ghayri, not of, maghdubi, of those who earned your wrath, alayhim, on themselves, wala, and not dwalin, of those who go astray. Ameen.
Ameen means, what means? Oh Allah, accept our request.
Okay.
Ameen means, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, very good reading, mashallah, have a nice day. Very good reading, mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Okay, your class time finished. Also, we will read next, inshallah. Final lesson we will read tomorrow, inshallah, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, take care. See you. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.